Tired of workouts that waste your time and leave you sore all over? This dumbbell burpee press hits the sweet spot for faster fat loss, stronger muscles, and less joint pain. In the next 2 minutes, you'll learn how to do this move right at home and why it's one of the best exercises to burn fat and build real strength. Here is the deal. The dumbbell burpee press combines a full body burn with a strength boost. First, the burpee part gets your heart racing, cranking up calorie burn like nothing else. Then, the dumbbell press targets your shoulders and arms, shaping muscles that support your joints and help reduce pain. Plus, it works your core and legs, so you're building functional fitness that helps you move better every day. You don't need hours or fancy gym gear. Start with just 3 sets of 10. Use dumbbells that challenge you but let you keep good form. Drop down smoothly, jump back, then explode up pressing the dumbbells overhead. That press isn't just for muscle, it tightens your core and teaches your body to work as one strong unit. This combo blasts fat and builds strength faster than doing burpees or presses alone. Most people think you have to pick between cardio or weight training. This exercise proves you can have both at once, saving time and maximizing results. It even reduces that nagging joint discomfort because stronger muscles take pressure off your bones. Imagine feeling lighter, stronger, and more energized after just a few sessions a week. If you're ready to shake up your routine and see real changes, dive into these moves every other day. Your body will thank you with less pain, more muscle, and faster fat loss. Want to unlock workouts that actually stick and make fitness fun? Hit subscribe and don't miss the full playlist showing exactly how to transform your body at home.